It's here. Meet the 2021 Honda Accord Special Edition. It starts with refreshed styling that highlights the low, wide stance and dynamic lines that run the length of the car. At the front, the aggressive lines center around an updated front fascia with a large grille opening that is punctuated by black and dark chrome accents, and these LED low-beam headlights with automatic high beams. At the rear of the Accord, the aggressive design continues with this gloss black spoiler, shark fin antenna, and dual exhaust finishers. It also features LED turn signal indicators that are integrated into the heated power door mirrors. And rounding off this sporty exterior are these side sill garnish that complement these striking 19-inch aluminum alloy wheels. Get your Accord ready before leaving the house with the remote start feature. The 2021 Accord Special Edition has plenty of cabin space. The driver's seat is power adjustable, and when the temperature drops, stay warm with heated front seats. The driver information interface gives you driving information, important messages, and notifications simply controlled by the intuitive buttons on your steering wheel, and wirelessly connect your favorite podcasts and music with both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This multifunction touchscreen display gives you access to the brains of the Accord, allowing you to interact and change any number of settings. Open up the trunk and be met by a cavernous cargo area. It can fit practically everything you need thanks to the long wheelbase and wide stance. Just fold the 60/40 split seat backs down for even more space for longer items. Around town or merging on the highway, the Accord Special Edition is always ready to go with the smooth shifting, continuously variable transmission. A 1.5-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine is powerful and exhilarating, while the Econ feature helps you save on fuel for maximum driving efficiency. The wheelbase and low center of gravity means agile driving dynamics. The engine, suspension, and brakes work together for a direct handling experience that gives you more confidence when cornering. Speaking of safety, the Honda Sensing suite of safety and driver assist features includes adaptive cruise control with low-speed follow, collision mitigation braking system, forward collision warning, lane departure warning, road departure mitigation system, and auto high beams. Quality and performance you've come to expect from a Honda. It's no wonder the Accord has taken home so many awards over the years. Drive one today and experience the 2021 Honda Accord Special Edition for yourself.